Hello my dear students, welcome all of you to your SST class. Today we are going to conclude the chapter first geography, that is wonders in the sky. In previous classes we have discussed about the universe, celestial bodies, galaxies, stars, constellations, solar system, sun and planets. Today we will learn about the earth, satellites and other celestial bodies. Let's begin today's class with the first topic, and that is the earth. We know that earth is our home, but we don't know many facts about the earth, like the earth is the fifth largest planet in the solar system. It is third nearest planet to the sun. The true shape of the earth is geode shape. In other words, it is orange like shape. Our earth is unique planet because the earth is having moderate temperature, availability of an adequate amount of water, presence of atmosphere. So earth has all the favorable conditions required for the existence of life. Our next topic is satellite. Satellites are celestial bodies that move around the planet. In same way planets move around the sun. They also rotate on its axis. Like planets, satellites also do not have any heat and light of their own, but shine due to the reflecting light from the sun. Satellites can be either natural और artificial. ये natural भी हो सकता है और artificial भी. So now we are going to talk about the moon natural satellites. Earth has only one natural satellite known as the moon, fifth largest among all natural satellites of the solar family. It is Earth's closest neighbor in space. The moonlight reaches Earth in about 1.25 seconds. It completes one revolution around the Earth in about 27 days and 8 hours from west to east. I'm going to repeat. It completes one revolution around the Earth in about 27 days and 8 hours from west to east. It takes the same time to complete one rotation on its axis. As a result, we can see only one side of the moon from the earth. ओके तो हम लोग जो अर्थ से मून को देखते हैं तो उसका एक साइड ही देख सकते हैं. ओके द मून डजंट हैव फेवरेबल कंडीशन फॉर लाइफ. When the moon looks round, it is called full moon or Purnima. When the side of the moon facing us doesn't get light, we cannot see the moon. Okay, so I'm going to repeat again. When the side of the moon facing us doesn't get light, we cannot see the moon. It is known as the new moon or Amavasya. Let's move to the next topic, and that is artificial satellite. Besides natural satellite, there are man-made satellites also, which are placed in the Earth's orbit by scientists. The television signals we receive actually are reflected from the man-made satellite. INSAT, IRS, EduSat are some of the satellites launched by India. Other celestial bodies. Apart from the stars, planets, satellites, there are numerous other tiny celestial bodies which revolve around the sun. They are dwarf planet, asteroid, meteoroids and comets. So the example of dwarf planets like Pluto. Asteroids are the numerous tiny bodies which revolve around the sun between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Meteoroids also the small pieces of rocks and dust moving around the sun. Okay, so it is a small piece of rocks and dust moving around the sun. These are also called the shooting stars. Comet, objects which revolve around the sun in long elliptical orbits are called comets. Please read the page number 133 important terms. These are very important for your study. So my dear students, just we completed the lesson fully. So we will meet in our next class with new topics. Till then, bye, take care and happy learning.